Etogo Aboliasio lolemebe ejai akani ne kampuni eche nesida bongu akani ninuka kilabu Aboliasio kombale. Uthman Mugoya ngese president lo kilabu Aboliasio kombale.
For the past 30 years, the management of sports club, it was under a private company. It was rented out to some company, and me as the president, I realized that we need the exclusivity of the club. So we recovered the club. Now it's managed purely by the Mbale Sports Club members. So it's a members club now. Actually, as we speak now, only to access the clubhouse, the bar, and the restaurant, you should have a membership card. That's one of the developments, and as you can see, we are carrying out renovations. We want to make this place look different. We want it to look like a clubhouse, because for those who have been here for the past years, it has been a dilapidated place. It was not habitable for people, but currently we are putting it back. We are facelifting it. So we are hoping to do all the games, and for those who have been here, the swimming pool has not been working, which we are also revamping.
Mugoya ngesabalebe imema na bondu etachitos kese pota itasome Etogo Aboliasio lo.
Mbale Sports Club, we have a wide range of activities, including darts, Scrabble, we have squash, we have table tennis, we have long tennis, we have badminton, we are creating a basketball court and a volleyball court, we have rugby ground. So all these activities, we want them to come back so that we can have as many members as we can. So someone will feel, if I pay my 1 million, do I see the value for money? Yes, from this season onwards, we are going to see value for money. That, for example, if you're a member, you are allowed to invite your friends.
Luamina sa Aboliasio kese karete be ebunidona aiganga kin kes aitolot Aboliasio nwegela. Dilax Emi Alamu, Paul Watala, Kanuka TV East.